Alright, back with the Mojave 4S. I've switched it back to a 16-tooth pinion to see if we get a bit more runtime. Need to put my throttle rate up. Put steering rate to about 75 and put the gyro on about 25. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. A little bit snappier when pressing the trigger. Let's try it with no gyro. Need to put the steering rate down a bit then. Put it to about 55. Definitely requires a bit more skill. Put the gyro back up to about 50. And put the steering rate up as well to 75. Beautiful day today. Feels like the summer's returned. 20 degrees and it's October. I'll take that. Let me put the gyro down a bit. It's about 40. The suspension's doing its job. So I got about 14 minutes runtime last time on the 18-tooth pinion. I was hoping that this will give me a bit more on the 16. I am full triggering quite a bit at the moment, so we'll see. I think I've set the LVC to 3.4 volts. Pretty smooth rig this. super fun. Love that suspension. Got one more addition to the Mojave 4S shell. I've got these GPM top skid plates. They just arrived today, but the stock ones, I could see they're already getting pretty worn with the 3 or 4 roof landings I've had. So let's see how these aluminium ones hold up. This surface here, where there's not much grass, is really slippery. I guess it's a little bit damp still as well. Something's cut out. Let's check what it is. Okay guys, that's not great. Looks like it's a thermal, so I'll wait for a minute or two for it to cool down. Okay, so I let it cool down for 2 minutes and let's see how long it runs for now. Literally 10 seconds later that's cut out again. I'm not sure what's going on here. I don't think it's that hot. Right, third time. It's dead. Really don't know what's going on. Don't know if it's an ESC problem or not. It's a fully charged pack that I'm using, so pretty disappointed with that.